It's Thredup Thursday. Welcome, you guys. Welcome back to Stina Resells. Here today on Thredup Thursday, we are going to be opening a Thredup Fun Box. The Fun Box is one of my favorites. I have been opening these. I was thinking about this, so I started opening these before I was even on YouTube with one of my girlfriends from college. And so I have been opening these for 6 years, you guys. 6 years. And I love them. I never get tired of opening them. So today, that is what we're going to be doing. I try to open these every other week on Thredup Thursday just because I love them so much. If you're not familiar with the Fun Box, you get 10 miscellaneous items for $34 plus shipping and plus tax. And you never really know what you're going to get. Some stuff is amazing. Some things are kind of meh. Some things you don't even know what they are. And part of the fun for me is getting to research some of these items, okay? I've had, like I said, some things that I didn't really know what it was. In fact, my highest value item I have ever gotten in a Fun Box, and I'll have to see if I can even find that video and link it because it was a while ago, was an Olympia Latan clutch that I sold on the Real for like $1,300, you guys. It was amazing, but I didn't even know that brand. When I opened it, I didn't really know what it was. So you always have to do research on these items to see what you're getting. All right, so let's cut the tape and we will do First Peeks. If you happen to be new here, I am Christina and I am a part-time reseller. That means I just do this part-time, my YouTube channel and reselling. And I own a full-time ticketing business. I am super busy right now. My fourth quarter of the year and my first quarter are like my busiest of the whole year. So super busy with lots of events. And of course, trying to ramp back up with the reselling. So we'll see if we have some great items in here. I do sell from my YouTube videos. So if you see anything in this box that you want to purchase, all you have to do is send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com. I give pricing throughout, or I put pricing on the screen. You just need to let me know which item you want, the price that I said, and that's pretty much it. I do my invoicing through PayPal. I do $6 shipping on items under a pound and $9 over. It's as simple as that, you guys. All right, let's do First Peeks. Okay, here we go. So this one is an older one, okay? You can tell, or I can tell, because my mom wrote on the front like where the box was in my house. And so she helped me get organized with a lot of my inventory. I don't see a receipt right off the top, so we'll have to see if there's one tucked in there somewhere. I could tell you when I've ordered it, but maybe sometime in the past year. I'm not really sure. All right, let's pull the tissue and let's see what Thredup sent us. Okay, so it looks like we have maybe like a cork type handbag. Ooh, a little bag of accessories. I love that. Maybe a little hat, something packaged down here. So I'm not really sure, you guys. This bag's kind of taking up a lot of the space. So I'm gonna take a couple thumbnails and I'll be right back. Okay, so we have the box open. I'm ready to get into it. I can already tell that that little cork bag is actually like either a little lunch kit or it might be the kind that you carry a wine bottle in, LOL. So we will get started with this one. Typically, when I'm getting ready to open the box, I always like to point out what I'm wearing. And maybe you guys noticed, but I don't have any jewelry on today. I've been intentionally trying to sport some of my Christmas presents. I wanted my friends and family that gifted me such gorgeous jewelry to be able to see me wearing it. And so I was trying to pick out the pieces that I was going to wear today, and I couldn't decide. And then I was talking to my best friend before I went to bed last night, and she's like, you know what I would love to see you wear? And I was like, what? And she said, I would love for you to go through your jewelry and pick out the pieces that are most special to you and that make you feel the most beautiful and that you should wear those. And I was like, oh my gosh, I love that idea. So I was so excited about that. Of course, I didn't do it before bed because you guys, I have not been sleeping well. And I was like, I'm going to think about it while I fall asleep. Well, those of you who do know me well know as soon as my head hits that pillow, I'm out. So I started thinking about it literally as I was laying down and I was asleep. So I didn't really think about it much before I actually went to sleep. And then this morning when I was starting to get ready for work, I went into my closet because I keep some of my jewelry in there. And I started really thinking about the pieces that are the most special and mean the most to me. And you guys, I mean, I have gorgeous jewelry that my grandmother gave me. She and I used to go through her jewelry boxes together. And so I love those pieces. They're very special to me and they're gorgeous as well. And then I have pieces from, like, one of my friends from college gifted me a James Avery necklace that talks about friendship. I love that necklace. I have, of course, my Tiffany collection, and there's so many pieces in that collection that are special to me, you know. And then I have pieces that I've thrifted that are maybe like my best finds, like this gorgeous carved turquoise necklace. I thought about wearing that. I also have on a bust in my closet a blue crystal flower necklace. That one was a gift from a friend, and that one is very special to me. Not only do I love it, but that was like significant because I remember that being a very special gift from them to me, and I really knew that they cared about me. So I love that one. And then I also have like Henry Bendel pieces that I've been collecting, Kendra Scott pieces, and so many people have gifted me things over the years that have special meaning. I have a gorgeous pair of earrings from my brother that he gave me, earrings by the brand Brackish, which is a brand that I really want to start collecting, and he kind of started my collection for me. That's like the only piece I have, so I'm not doing very good at collecting it. But that one means a lot to me too. So just, there were like too many to pick from, and I was starting to get like a little emotional. My best friend had given me a really sweet bracelet for my birthday, talking about like strength and being strong. So I thought about wearing that. I have another heart bracelet I got for Christmas last year that means a lot to me. So I got really overwhelmed. And so I was like, okay, we're going with no jewelry today. So you guys, I call my jewelry my beauty armor, and we're going without the armor today. So no beauty armor. It's just me. All right. I'm wearing a black thrifted dress and a chunky thrifted cardigan. So that's what I've got on today, you guys. All right, let's get into this fun box and see what Thredup sent us. All right, first up, it is a little wine tote. This is Prime Wear, and I do know that at least at my Hallmark, they sell these, okay? This is new with tags. It's got like a cork material, which I think is perfect because, you know, you have a cork in the wine bottle. It is insulated on the inside, okay? So you can put your wine bottle in there and keep it cold. I'm not sure how much these retail for. I think they're kind of pricey, at least at my Hallmark they are. And you guys, look at that pretty metallic throughout. So on this one, I'm going to say $8. $8. It is new with tags, and I think I can ship this in like a poly if you want for $6. Okay. So we'll say $8 on the new with tags wine tote. That would be a great gift. I love gift giving. Many of you probably figured that out. It's a way that I show my friends and family how much I care about them. And I'm working on like some Valentine's Day gifts. I have a couple birthday presents I'm working on, and it just truly like makes me happy. So that would make a great gift. So next up, we have a little visor. This is perfect for upcoming summer. I like this little fringe on top. This one is also new with tags. This one is by the brand Renato Balestra. I don't know this. You guys, this seems like it could be nice. Look, it's got like a hologram sticker and it says made in Italy. Ooh, okay. So this is one I'm gonna have to look up. This is a paper straw hat, which just my history with getting paper straw hats in these boxes, they typically are on the pricey side. New with tags, like I said, here's the brand. Okay, kind of looks like the Banana Republic a little bit, but it's not. So I will look this one up. Maybe this is a big winner, you guys. I don't know. And I will have a price on the screen. The prices I give are my subscriber prices. And so I give you guys about half or maybe sometimes even more off of what I would list an item for on either, let's say, Poshmark or eBay. All right, next up we have, ooh, hello. We have Kate Spade, new in the package. Oh, you guys, look, it's a little initial pendant and it's the letter J. Oh, this is awesome. New in package, Kate Spade. Someone did mark the price out, so I'm not really sure what the suggested retail on this is. Okay, but let's say $10. Again, perfect gift. New in package, initial J, Kate Spade. Beautiful. Yay. All right. I'm really liking this box so far. Let's go for this little accessory kit. Looks like some hair accessories. We have some chunky guys. Love these. These are too chunky for me and my hair. I just like, you know, washed and dried out of the shower and put on a headband. So I'm a little, you know, just kind of basic today. All right, this is branded. It's got a little T right there. Always check your hair accessories. You never know what could be worth a lot. And these are in 2 different sizes. Okay, you have like a faux tortoiseshell. Again, I am not sure on the brand on this. So I will try to look these up and see if I can figure out, and I will have a price on the screen for these. And I will just sell these as a set, okay? All right, there's also a headband in here. Oh, you guys, this one's eyelet lace. Oh, I love this. And we have a J. Crew factory. So if you're not familiar with either like Banana Republic or J. Crew, if it has the little dots under it, that means it's a factory piece. This one still at the factory was $34.50. Wowza. And then we have the little top knot. Again, new with tags, eyelet lace. Y'all, this one's super cute. I love this one. Okay, if no one buys this, I may have to hold on to this one. Let me put my other one back in. I love this one. I picked this one up at my thrift store. It's a little top knot, like a faux black leather, like a double band. There we go. All right, yay. I don't know. Let's say, I'm just gonna say $8 for this, okay? It has a $34.50 retail tag on it. Oh, I'm dying, you guys. We got some Dolly Parton. Oh, this is so cute. Unofficial Dolly Parton crochet. Includes everything to make a Dolly Parton doll and guitar. Oh, I love this. This is so cool. Again, this is a great gift. The box is a little smushed, okay? But this would be so fun. If you know someone in your life who's crafty or loves arts or crafts, this is perfect. My niece loves Dolly Parton. She would love this, except that she's like an adult now. So I don't know. This is probably not for her, but back in the day, she would have loved this. I have no idea what these like resell for. So I'll have a price on the screen for this. This is awesome. This is what makes these boxes so much stinking fun. All right, let's see. Next up, we have, ooh, some aloe socks. These make your feet extra soft. Aloe Moisture Aloe Socks by the brand Earth Therapeutics. New with tags. Really nice. I don't know, we'll say $5 on those. Okay. Next, we have a pair of sunglasses. It's about 50-50, I always say, on whether or not you're going to get branded or unbranded. I get both in these boxes. And we have a branded pair. Wow. You guys, I feel like these are really good. We have a pair of Miller sunglasses. I have never resold this brand, but I have heard of it. So I'm not sure resale on this. The style of this one is Fagoli, and these were designed in Barcelona. Y'all, I've gotten so many designer sunglasses in these boxes. Chanel. The last designer pair I got was like some Egyptian pair that was like a couple $100. I mean, it's crazy. So I'll look these up. We'll see how much these resell for, and I will give you guys a great price. Oh, I usually put them on. This is like a style I don't think I normally would wear, but those are cool. In a dark, like brand new without tag situation. Branded sunglasses. Woohoo! Okay, let's see. We've got some slippers, new with tags. These are Lauren Conrad. These are in a size large. Okay. These are awesome. You have the open toe, crisscross front in kind of an aubergine or eggplant color. These are great. Let's say $8. The large says it's a size 8 to 9. So great size. Perfect. $8, new with tags. All right. I don't think it had the retail price on here. No, someone cut it off. All right, here we go. What's this? don't know what this is. Is this a belt? You guys, look, we have some flowers. I'm going to say that this is a belt. See if we see any branding on back of flowers. I don't see any branding. But look how beautiful these are. Whoever did the work on this, I mean, this is gorgeous. You have these rope cords. Let's check the end caps for branding. No branding that I see. So I'll try Google Lensing it just to see if something comes up. Okay. But this looks like it could be adjustable to any length. There's a loop back here. So you wrap it around your waist and you can tie it however you want around the front. I think that's beautiful. Okay, well, price on the screen for that. I would say it's maybe like a one-size-fits-all situation. All right, and then last item in the box. I don't know. Are these pajamas? Okay, we've got some PJs. Are these an XL, you guys? It looks like they could be. I think the tag says XL. I've been looking for some new pajamas, y'all. Like, I wear pajamas, obviously, in the morning when I'm trying to get my kids out the door for school. And I love having pockets in my pajama pants because I carry my phone in my pocket. And I'm always just tossing stuff in there. And y'all, my pants just like fall off of me. So I'm like walking around like pulling up my pants. So I need new PJs like badly. So let's see. Maybe this will work for me. That would be amazing. These are gorgeous. Okay. And a beautiful white with the gorgeous almost watercolor flowers and a pale pink and a blue. You have a beautiful blue trim, blue drawstring, elastic waist. No pockets, you guys. It's kind of a problem for me. These are in an extra large. I don't see a branding tag, but the tag feels nice. So I don't know. Maybe the top will have a tag. Okay. But extra large. These are really nice. They're very soft. Okay, and this says what makes our brand stand out. Okay, but there's no brand. So, extra large. Okay. Very soft. Long sleeved. Love this. Okay, well, these don't have a pocket, so that's kind of a deal breaker for me on the PJs, unfortunately. These are... I was going to tell you materials and I don't even see materials tag. So I don't know, but I can tell you they're very soft and they are adorable. So extra large PJ set, brand new. I will put it back in the bag and this is what the top looks like. Okay. And we'll say $15. $15 for the PJs. So you guys, I loved this fun box, okay? The pajamas are adorable. The belt was amazing. That's 2 items. I guess we'll count. Okay? Slippers for 3. Socks for 4. LOL, I love this. The Dolly Parton for 5. The sunglasses I have to look up for 6. The headband for 7. Oh, that included these clippies that are also branded. The initial necklace for 8. The visor that I also have to look up for 9. And then the wine bag, new with tags, for 10. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I love doing these videos for y'all on Thursdays. And I will be back on Tuesday. I'm going to be opening another jewelry jar. If you're not subscribed to the channel, y'all hit that subscribe button and join me. It's free. I am getting close to 4,300 subscribers and I'm trying to chug my way along to 5,000. All right, you guys, I will see you back on Tuesday. And until then, everyone have a great weekend. Bye, y'all.